today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete nearly an invoice in Xero. If you're using Xero for managing your business finances, you might find yourself needing to delete an invoice at some point. This could be due to errors in the invoice details, or maybe because the transaction is no longer relevant. Whatever the reason, knowing how to properly remove an invoice from your records is an essential skill for maintaining accurate accounts. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to open the Xero website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to ensure you're on the dashboard. This is your main navigation hub within Xero, from where you can access all your financial data. Look for the Sales section on this dashboard. It's usually on the main menu displayed on the left side of your screen. Click on it. This will take you to the Sales area, where all of your sales-related information, like quotes, invoices, and credit notes, is neatly organized. Once you're in the Sales section, you want to look for the option that says Invoices. Clicking on this will list all the invoices that you have on record in Xero. This is where you can search through your past and present transactions to find the specific invoice that needs to be deleted. Take your time to scroll through your list of invoices. If you have a lot of invoices, there might be a search function you can use at the top of the page to quickly find what you're looking for. After locating the invoice you want to delete, click on it to open the invoice details. You'll see everything related to this transaction, giving you one last chance to confirm that it's the correct invoice to be removed. At this point, be very certain you are about to void the right invoice, since this action can affect your accounts. To proceed with deleting, look towards the top right corner of the invoice details page. You will see 3 dots or an options menu that typically indicates more actions are available. Clicking on this will present you with several different options on what you can do with the current invoice. Among those options, find and select the void option. The term void is used in Xero to indicate that an invoice is cancelled, but will remain in your records as voided for audit trails and accountability. Finally, before the invoice is removed, Xero will prompt you to confirm the voiding action. Carefully read any prompts or messages to ensure that you are taking the correct final step in this process, then confirm the action. Once you've done this, the invoice will be voided and it will no longer affect your account balances or financial reporting. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to delete an invoice in Xero by voiding it. Mastering this process helps keep your financial records clean and accurate. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on using Xero efficiently.